Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla here again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so my people, I want to talk to you about two separate incidents that happened within the country of Jamaica. And just to make it be very clear, these incidents happened at separate locations. Alright, let's get started. First things first. Now, I saw pictures and videos that shows two persons who had been beaten and wounded by residents in a community that's located within the country of Jamaica. I did not get any confirmed information as to when and exactly where within the country of Jamaica the incident happened, but I got the understanding that police was alerted about the situation and the police arrived at the location, and those two persons who was beaten and injured was placed in the back of a police service motor vehicle and they were taken away from the community where the incident happened. One video that I saw shows two police officers who lift one of those persons who was beaten and injured and carry that person and place that person in the back of a police service motor vehicle. That person was placed in handcuffs. I also saw a video that shows rope tied to the body of one of those persons who was beaten and injured, and that video also shows when someone dragged that person on the road by pulling the rope that was tied to the person. One of that person's hands is badly damaged. The hand was set in an abnormal way. Now, information about the situation are sketchy. I got unconfirmed information as to why residents in a community within the country of Jamaica beat and wounded those persons. Allegedly, and let me repeat, allegedly they had been accused of being thieves. But I did not get confirmed and specific details as to what really happened. However, you can ask me certain questions in the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible. Now, I'm going to present one of those videos to you that I saw so that you can get a better understanding about the situation. Now, please bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, that the video shows a gruesome scene. However, I edit the video so that this video can be as family friendly as possible. And if you listen carefully to some words that a certain amount of persons have said in this video, you might get a good understanding about the situation. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yeah, man.
This one need me video.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. We don't have to with the other one, man. I'm going to put it in the company. Last what? One of the worst, man. They must clean up. Worst, man. They come to this. Don't let me, so. Take him out there, road. Don't let me cook him, man. Don't let me cook shop, so. Take him out there, road. Yes, you want to why?
No,
don't let me know. I'm trying to come back town and sit back. That's not why. Don't let me mess with the blood. Oh, yo. What? Yeah, found them. What for the eye? Come on, please. Yeah. Hello?
Now, please bear in mind that there are more information out there about this whole situation, but I'm just giving you information that I got and according to how I got those information. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Alright, so you can let me know what to think about the situation, and I'm going to move on to the next topic.
So what you say? Say you got 12 and can't swim. Him couldn't swim in this and him never know how deep this was.
Now, I am going to leave a audio with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this audio is from a video that shows the body of a child that was taken from out of what some people call a tank. Now, it is believed that the child drowned, viewers and subscribers, because I got the understanding that there was a lot of water inside of that thing that some people call a tank. Now, based on information that I got, it is said that the body of the child was removed from a tank that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to how the child somehow got inside of what some people call a tank, but I got the understanding that water had been taken from out of it in order to take the child's body from out of what is called a tank. I got the understanding that at some point the necessary authority or authorities was alerted about the situation and water was removed from it. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the audio to you. That is from a video so that you can get a better understanding about the situation. And in this audio, you can hear a person talking about the situation and responding to a comment that someone made on social media about the child who died. It's really sad to know that someone would make a comment that can be considered as insensitive towards the child who died. In my point of view, maybe the person was not thinking. My condolences to the friends, the family, and loved ones of the child who died. And I want you to please bear in mind that I do not have any confirmed information about the age of the child. So even though in this audio an age had been mentioned, I do not have any confirmed information about the age of the child. Here's the audio, viewers and subscribers. Listen and tell them what you think, and big up and respect to each and every one. Stay safe, walk good, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
You know, so sometimes people make some foolish comment and don't know nothing about things. Look down in the water now. We bail out here as far as this so we can see the youth. I went down there 3 times. Mary, come out to you go down there? 2 times. Nobody cannot swim in this water. The deeper you go is the more claustrophobic you become. The water gets so tightened down there that it cannot be swimming. So what you say? Say you got 12 and can't swim. Him couldn't swim in this and him never know how deep this was. So when him go down in this, you know, with so much trash and muck and stuff, you know, what you say? Him should have can't swim to save himself in this. If me never old enough and know, say, yo, if he come up when we are search for him down in this. I that drown down there too. Because the water is so heavy that even my chest start close up. My heart start beat slow. So what you say? You at 12 and can't swim. All 30 and 50 and 60 year old was big swimmer. If he go down in this and not come up in time, breath lock off on him down there and he's dead. So sometimes in general, I know a type of comment where you make and think first, because you know in another position. Yeah. I dive deep on this in the water already, and due because the water is wide, it is easy. Look on this, not even 12 feet wide. You want to say somebody can swim down in this. I be a pressure down the bass. The deeper you go, more pressure. So you can't make them a kind of comment about you at 12 and can't swim. No way I say. Because you're not in a position. Somebody make a comment man talk about the youth at 12 and can't swim.